Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be whipping up some delicious anti-aging eats that'll have you looking as fresh as a daisy. First up, we've got dark chocolate. Yeah, you heard that right. Chocolate that's good for you. It's packed with flavonoid antioxidants that protect your skin from free radical damage and UV radiation. Just make sure you're going for the good stuff, at least 70% cocoa. Next on our list is the humble avocado. This creamy green powerhouse is loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants that'll hydrate your skin and fight off wrinkles like nobody's business. Now, let's talk olive oil. It's not just for cooking. This liquid gold is full of monounsaturated fats and vitamin E that'll improve your skin's elasticity faster than you can say extra virgin. And don't forget about berries. Whether you're team strawberry or blueberry, these little guys are antioxidant bombs that'll help your body pump out collagen like it's going out of style. You know, with this shopping list, it's basically a spa day for your insides. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some age-defying snacking to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.